E-learning is considered as an efficient way to deliver various courses online. Since the pandemic situation, e-learning has been on the rise with all educational institutions operating remotely. E-learning is no doubt the fastest growing industries in the present scenario. Recent innovations in the industry have become more accessible. The industry uses the latest technology to deliver and administer the learning process. With a large number of online learning platforms available today, there is an increasing need for organizations to have a learning management system, LMS, to deliver the courses effectively. A learning management system, LMS, is a software or education hub used by companies to develop, track and deliver training for their clients, employees and partners. It comes with a specific set of features that are helpful in supporting activities, distance learning, classroom learning and continuing education. Impact of LMS on social learning. Social media is now an integral part of our daily lives and plays a crucial role in keeping us connected. Every day various people use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with family and friends, stay informed about global events, share experiences and discover new things. Organizations across the world are integrating social media into their communication and marketing strategies as the insights from the data gathered through social media helps marketers identify global trends. Similarly, a learning management system, LMS, comes with built-in social media functionalities that professionals can effectively leverage to improve the quality of their online learning programs and enhance the learning experience. An LMS engages learners through social learning and makes online learning highly interesting and collaborative for employees. The following are some of the ways LMS helps promote learners' engagement and impacts social learning. Informal learning. LMS offers informal learning by providing learners with unique ways to learn from each other through knowledge collaboration tools and social media. Social learning is an effective resource for informal learning, providing learners with the ability to connect with their friends, exchange tips, and seek help from other professionals. Content sharing and collaboration. An LMS allows the connected learners to collaborate and share content with each other in real time. They can also connect with each other through webinars or live video streaming to interact with each other. With social learning, multiple formats such as audio, video, infographics and interactive programs can be used by learners while enabling them to share them through social media. Discussion forums and communities. The most common platforms that learning management system leverage are discussion boards and forums. Learners can like, share, comment, post queries, ask questions and interact, and start new discussions. The discussion forums in social learning help learners open new channels for communication and further their learning experience to create their own communities to share knowledge and expertise with others. Self-learning and motivation. A learning management system offers 24/7 accessibility to learners while motivating and encouraging them to reach desired targets through social learning. Learners feel motivated in a social learning environment and work harder with a sense of competition while improving their overall skills, which boosts their productivity. A social learning LMS offers a consistent platform for organizations to share knowledge while enabling transparency into the organization's culture. User-generated content. User-generated content is one of the key impacts of social learning via a learning management system, LMS. Learners can share their achievements and experiences on social media platforms using LMS. Social learning also enables organizations to use testimonials and feedback of the learners as the original content to promote their training programs, overall business and success. This way, a learning management system, LMS, makes the process of social learning simple and comes with various features helping improve the entire learning process. Conclusion. Organizations need to consider having an LMS system for their e-learning services. It serves as a consistent platform for social learning, sharing knowledge and helps bring transparency into the organization's culture. Social learning via the learning management system, LMS, provides organizations with insights into improving the programs, ensuring learners' engagement while bringing effectiveness to the e-learning programs. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.